help me. Yeah. Whoa. Put on the water.
Whoa, what's
Whoa. Put in the water.
this right here?
Put in the water. Put the water.
Whoa, it's so bubbly.
Like, you got
Is Baby Alive gonna play with it too?
I love to play with that box. That box. So cool.
Let me see. Whoa, how cool. It has purple inside of it.
Whoa, how cool.
I know.
What color do you have, Izzy?
Yellow.
Yellow, and what else?
Oh my God. A lot.
What color is that one, Izzy?
Purple.
Purple?
And this one glitter.
Izzy, what is your favorite color?
Purple and pink.
What is your favorite color?
Pink, purple and pink.
Purple and pink?
I guess you get it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Mama cutting down one.
This is my favorite one.
And mine too.
You ready? Whoa, it's breaking.
Oh, it's broken! It's an explosion!
So hot.
It's a bath bomb explosion!
Whoa, how cool.
Look at Baby Alive drowning! Save her, Izzy!
I got. Whoa.
Izzy to the rescue!
Where's yellow?
Go get it.
Whoa, more water! Look at the water, Izzy, it's so cool!
Break it. You can see the inside. Where's yellow?
Okay guys, I have one last bath bomb for Izzy. Izzy, what color is this?
This yellow.
Yellow! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
With a purple basket.
It already exploded.
Setting it up.
Excited? I think this one is gonna explode.
Is it going to explode? Are you guys ready?
Look it out, look it out.
Will it explode?
It's going. Ready?
Will it explode? Are you guys ready? That was so cool, Izzy.
It smells so good. Whoa. Exploded. Let's try.
No, we can't. I'm gonna put it in the water because it's slow because it's purple.
Yeah.
Get to line. Comment.